Good morning. This is Steve Day from the Welcome Trader, and this is a morning session. And all we looking the opportunity today is little bit tough day, and I just want to tell you guys, I saw the formation is coming downside, and I saw the directions hit to the like a four. Once they hit to the four, we just want to get to the confirmation. It is really downside and let me see what happens. I have no clue if they go against or they go in our favors. So I'm looking trade on the sell side, and I want to place the uh, I want to take a chance. Let me see what happens. So anyhow, I'm in, and let me see. I will guide you this trade. If they against go us, so our stop loss is a 1791, and we have a short opportunity 1789, but we are in 1786.5. And the other thing I want to discuss with you guys, I normally use the 4 Texas Inco chart setting and 2 unit Inco with reversal 6. That's I use the most of time. And the two indicator I use, one is a forecaster, one is a zone. And the zone is both indicators, and they are not a lagging indicator. They are uh, mathematically calculations. They help us to in the trade direction. And let I explain you we are in. But if by the way, what is our exit strategy? If we go back our stop loss 1791, we definite exit. Number one. Number two, if we are in the trade, our zone turn to the 6 or higher, we are exit. So that's our exit strategy. And let me see what happened. I have no clue what will be happen. I'm hoping this positive, go something is sell zone is hitting the 3, so that will be the momentum, downside. So if sell zone hitting 3 4, and that's showing me people's still in a downside, and it's not a upside anymore. So upside means we should have a zone is equal to 6. Now is a zone is equal to 4, that meaning is a downside. And let me see how many points today we make it. And remember in the trading room rules, when we looking the opportunity on the sell side, couple of candles go down, and zone should be 4 or lower, but should be a red. And the zone should be going to be a decrease, not going to be increase for the sell. And anyhow, let me see. So far we have the like approximately 3 and around about 4 point, but sometimes 3.75, sometimes 4, 350. Anyhow, this is up and down. Let me see. And if we have a stop loss already 1791, if they get you out of the trade, that's our the 1791. That's the last final stop. But if we are in the trade and the sell zone turn to no zone, don't panic, stay in the trade. But if sell zone turn to the like a buy zone, so please right the way exit and take your profit. And this is not a end of world. We still have a lot of opportunity because our software, a couple of like a 3 to 4, we have a per day indications every day. and right now we still have a more than 4 point. Let me see. I'll be back in a couple minutes. Hey guys, that's very good. It's going in our favor, and hopefully, what we see is something coming up like changing. Still, I'm looking the sell zone little bit go down more, but let me see what happens. It's go to the no direction. It's go to five. It's they hit to the 5 to 6. We take a profit and we will find another trade. It's a little bit tough day. So direction should be lower than 4 is a better, 3 is a better, but if they go back to the 6, we should be exit, okay? If some people they want to take the maximum profit, they can take it. It's already around about 7 point. But I'm not going to be exit. I just follow the rules. And the thick line, moving line, once they close, going to be new opportunity. But if the sell zone is a 4 or 3, that means downside, more reaction. So it's around about $400 almost. It's a little bit tough day. It's going back to the 4, 5. I saw the 5 2 times they hit. So go back to the sell zone 4. So that's good. It's around about $400 again. Sell zone is a 4, so that's good. But it's coming back again 5. Man, it's look like a weird day. So no direction is equal to 5. If they hit to the 6, we exit right away and we take a profit. We save our profit and then we look the, oh, okay. So we are going to be close this trade. Okay, that's good. So we have that's enough, and let me find the another opportunity. And we don't want to lose our money. We want to keep in a pocket. And normally our exit is a 1791, but we saw the zone hit to the 6. So for the beginner people, it is easier and take a profit. And it's not the end of world. It might be the later on they have a buy opportunity, but thick line is still like floating and we don't know where they close. We don't want to lose our money. No, the buy zone is a 7, but it does not mean that this is a buy side shifted. No, it still is a like a sell side. And remember, buy confirmation, that should be couple of candle on the upside and the arrow should be upside. And when I say couple of candle, that meaning a gain T value should be now 9 or 10. And then buy zone is equal to should be the at least 6. That's the buy zone to buy side. But right now is we have already short and the buy zone is equal to 6. That does not give me the like buy indication, but we want to save our money. Okay, right now we have the buy opportunity we are looking. We supposed to go, this supposed to be go gain T value supposed to be around about 8 or 9, and no direction should be equal to 6. That's the buy opportunity. But let we see if they met, we go buy. If not, maybe the continue sell. I'm just looking the continue sell, but I have no idea. Let we see what happens. Let we see what happens. Is they hitting the buy zone is equal 6, and I need a little bit more buffer if it is like a buy. No. Okay, it did not sustain the value, so this seemed to me not a buy now. Okay, so now we are looking the sell opportunity. They should have the couple of candle go down. No, it's look like a little bit tough, my friends, and let we see what happens. We are looking one more trade. We are looking one more trade. It normally, if they happen like that, that should be the continuous trade, but the indication does not give me the continuous, but I am positive will go continue on the downside. And let we see the confirmation. If our no direction changing to the 4 and the red side, and then couple of candles go down, that's the meaning is a continuous sell. It's a tough day, man, today. Let we see what happened. It's still not a buy yet. It's still not sell yet, and it's happening. Okay, that's another sell opportunity. One more tick go downs. Okay, not yet, not yet, not yet. I'm just waiting. We don't know if buy or sell. Is still not confirming us. Buy zone 6, but we should have a value. Okay, not yet, not yet, not yet. Let we see what happens. If it is not a buy, then definite sell. Normally a continuous trade is like a pattern. I'm looking the continuous pattern is a short, but you never know market maker what they thinking. So no direction is a 5, so it means we have no clue what happened. So we looking the trade, not yet buy, not yet. That's really panic. Uh, they want to took the money from our pocket. No, can't. I'm looking the downside momentum, but right now still buy zone is equal to 6, but it did not confirming me the buy trade yet. For the buy trade, at least our gain T should be more than around about 11 or more than 10 or 11, but it's not a sell too. Okay, it's hitting the sell zone. The twice hit the sell zone. Okay, it's hitting the sell zone. Go more couple of tick. Okay, that's confirming me the sell again. Sell zone, go one more tick. Not yet. Not yet. Just wait for the opportunity, my friend. Okay, so that's confirming, and let me see what happened. Okay, sell zone 3, that's good. So that's in our favor. And let me see if they go against us. So our final stop is 1780 is the opportunity, but we have a 1782 is the stop loss, final exit. Let me see what happens. Right now is go against, this is our second trade, is go against 1 point almost, 1 point, and no direction is 5, that's fine, but let me see, we have a stop loss already 1782. Today is really tough day, and the pattern is a look like is a downside, but you never know. Let me see what happens. Okay, it's again no direction is a 4, that's in our favors. No direction is a good 5, it's not in our favor, but we already in. Okay, let me see. Okay, go down couple of tick. Not yet, man. Okay, that's seem to be positive sign. Okay, let me see what happened. Okay, now we out of the fear, it is no more fears, and because it is a downside trend, that's confirming us. We should have a couple of more points. Let me see. When the sell zone hit to the 3, so that meaning next one is the sell zone 2, and that meaning is so we should have the couple of point more. Okay, good. Only we looking the 6 point. We already have a 6 point before, so uh, let me see. It might be even trade. No, that's good. It's in our favor, my friend. Is coming. Stay with. Don't exit this time because sell zone hitting the 2. It means that should be go a couple of point more down. So when they have a trade like the long time, so that's make me little bit headache. I'm thinking you guys feel also same situation. So let me see what happens. Let me see what happened. Okay, that's good. So we are hitting the 6 7 point. So I just advise you guys take a profit. So I'm going to be exit this time. It's not a exit yet, but I like to have a take a break. Go down little bit. Go down, go down, go down. It's again 5.525. So I like to go down, go down, go down. Hey guys, ready for the one more point? Okay, that's good. And hey guys, I think so. It's already 6 7 point. I'm going to be exit, and so anyhow, that's enough today. And if we have a time, we will see the like a next trade afternoon session. Otherwise. see you tomorrow. And that's good, my friend, and it is a good, and